Hey guys, welcome back to another Shark video, and today we got a little update on the Shark Apex here. As you can see, it's actually in the box. So what happened was the wheel on the head broke for the second time, and we contacted Shark and they decided to take the whole vacuum back. So that's why it's in the box, and they're gonna replace it with a brand new one, which is pretty crazy because we just wanted another head, but they said because it's so worn that they want to give us a new one. So we're okay with that, obviously. So I got it boxed in there, label on there, ready to go. So not having this vacuum, we reserved back to this older vacuum we used to use last year. After using the Shark Apex, going back to this vacuum is so noticeable that I didn't think it was going to be that noticeable. So I guess this video is more of a comparison between the Apex and this Rotator. Now, one of the best things about this Rotator lift away is this huge canister here. I mean, it is humongous. But one of the first things that we noticed is that it feels a lot more unrefined, the old one. I don't know what it is about that Apex, but that one just feels more premium than this older model here. Now, the one thing that this one still does better, for sure, is carpet. Like this model here for carpet is just great. Honestly, I don't know if Shark has a better one, but for carpet use, this one is just awesome. So now everything else you could really tell, especially hardwood floors and tile, that vacuum just does amazing. So if you mostly have hardwood floors or tile, that you gotta have that. You gotta have the DuoClean. So, and specifically the Apex. The smaller brother Speed DuoClean is okay, but the Apex is just more superior. It's worth paying that little extra to get the Apex. But in any case, this vacuum rules on carpet. If you have carpet, get this vacuum. I think I've said this before already, but I can't emphasize enough how much of a difference it is. And this vacuum is also quite a bit louder than that one. So you can hear this one a lot louder. That's another thing I noticed right away when I started using this one, that it's just a lot louder. So anyways, I mean, that's basically the main difference. I mean, they kind of are similar. Even this one has a little light here too, like that one. Everything else is very similar. Just the biggest deal is that head. So, and if you're wondering, that head does not fit on here. This is different models all completely. So here's a little update on the vacuum, the Apex and the Rotator. So I will be using this at home for now and for the jobs and whatever else we need. So honestly, can't wait to get another one of those because this one just does not do all the job. Anyways guys, so that'll be it for this short video. If you want to get a vacuum like that or like that, there'll be links in the description. Check out my other Shark videos where I have a bunch of videos on this and even that vacuum there. Especially that one, we have a lot of cool videos and the issues that we've had with it. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to see more, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.